Hello. In this video, we will show how to add a borehole from the screen, change its location, and open soil profile properties. I click the borehole button in the definition menu. After clicking the Add button in the window, I will add a borehole. I define a point on the screen using the left mouse button. The coordinates of the selected point appear in the borehole definition window. By clicking the Add button, I add a new borehole to the model. The program divides the three-dimensional terrain model based on the influence areas of the boreholes. The accuracy of the boundaries separating the boreholes can be increased. To increase the boundary accuracy between influence areas, I click the Terrain button. In the Terrain definition window, I set the point spacing to 0.3 and the grid spacing to 0.3. Then I click the Create Terrain button. As you can see, the accuracy of the boundaries between borehole influence areas is increased. We will explain the terrain definition window in detail in later videos. Now let's change the location of borehole BH2 on the screen. After selecting borehole BH2 from the list, I click the Add button. I define the new location of BH2 on the plan. The coordinates of the selected point appear in the borehole definition window. Now let's click the Edit button to change the location of borehole BH2. As you can see, the location of the borehole has been updated. Now let's open the properties of borehole BH2. I click the Selection Mode button in the definition menu. Then I double-click on borehole BH2. As you can see, the window showing the properties of borehole BH2 opens. From here, we can edit the soil profile properties. I move to the second sand layer. I set the layer top level to -4 meters. Now I move to the first layer. I also set the first layer level to -4 meters. I click the Apply button. Then I click Apply again. As you can see, the layer levels and the profile of borehole BH2 have been updated. I click the Apply button to confirm the changes. Thank you for watching.